Hi guys, Know Me More here, and today I have something very special that I get to share with you guys. So my friend Patricia, who is the owner and creator of Runway Rogue Beauty, which is where I get all of my fantastic lippies, has given me 3 samples of her new long wear bullet lipsticks, and they're all matte nudes, which I'm so super excited about, being the 90s queen that I am. So she gave me 3 to try. This is the test packaging. And this one, I'm going to just sample these real quick for you guys. This one is called Work the Crowd. Trying to get, there we go. So you can see they're like really super matte. This one is Guest List. This one is beautiful. Oh, love it. I love it. And then the last one we have here is called Booked Out. Woo! This one, I love this one. It's got just a little touch of like a pinky nude, and then you've got your brown nude, and you've got your pale nude. These are just absolutely fantastic. I'm so excited to try these today. So I'm going to be doing that. And since I am playing around with Runway Rogue products today, I'm also going to make it a giveaway video. And I'm going to be giving away 2 Runway Rogue products. These are the Runway Rogue. This is the new SilkGlam long wear lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick, and these both are in the color Sex Symbol. So 2 people get 1 of each. So yeah, two people are getting these. So all you have to do to win this is, of course, subscribe to my channel, please, and leave a comment down below. And I will be, in 2 weeks, be picking 2 people each to receive 1 of these. The new Runway Rogue by Patricia Hartman. This is the, pardon me, the SilkGlam, which is her new line of liquid longwear liquid lipsticks. So I'm really excited to be sharing this with you guys. So I'm thinking, what goes best with a nude lip but a smoky eye? So I've done my tapes, my foundation, blah, 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 blah. Contoured already. I did both cream and powder contour. And now, like a good little drag queen, I'm cooking or baking or baked cooking. I don't know. You decide. Anywho, while that's going on, I laid a really thick layer of my MAC translucent powder, invisible translucent powder underneath my eyes, because smoky eyes, of course, dark colors. We're going to create a lot of fallout. Let's pick a palette. Okay, what we're going to use today, I'm going to pull out, I did a video on this palette, which is the Kat Von D I Am Divine palette. I'm going to use that again today to create my smoky eye. And I'm going to do sort of like a gray charcoal smoky eye using these 2 colors. But then I'm also going to add a little bit of blue to it to kind of blend out the dark grays and the blacks. So we're going to do some layering today and get that really nice glamorous smoky eye. So let's go right into it. I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques Bold Metals Collection 200 eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to go right into Filthy, which is this dark charcoal gray color right here. And this is just going to go all over. Tap, 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 tap. The Real Techniques, this is the Defining Crease brush in 304. And then Baltimore, this blue color right here. And this is where we're going to see that little bit of blue start to kind of peek through. Now, going back in with the Bold Metals 200, a little bit more of the Baltimore. And then that's just going to sweep right in above the crease. I'm going to use the same 200 Bold Metal brush and to go into Hard Magic, which is their black. Now this is just going to go onto the lower lid. We don't want to go too high onto the brow bone or the crease, because we need to leave a little bit of what we've already done, because that's going to act as sort of our bridge color between the really dark shadow that's close to the lash line versus the smoked out effect as it moves up towards the brow. Going back in with the defining crease brush, let's just work that up. Let's use a fresh Bold Metals Collection 200 shadow brush, and we're going into Babs, which is this really gold iridescent color, and that's going to be for the highlight on our brow bone. Let's get some smoke underneath the eye, and for that I'm using Real Techniques Lip Smudge brush. We're going to start with the Baltimore, which is the blue, and that's going to go underneath. So kind of see where I applied on the upper eyelid. You can see how it transferred onto the bottoms. I'm just going to connect those two. Super easy. Let's take our defining crease brush and just soften that. Blur that line out. Switching to the Real Techniques. This is the smudge liner brush. 317 is the number, and we're going back into that black, which is Hard Magic. And I'm just going to go right in and smudge that in. Now I'm not going to take the black all the way to the inside corner. Defining crease brush. The lip smudge brush and the Hard Magic, and just get it kind of on the tip of the brush, just the very, 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 very tip, just the tip. And then that's going to go right into our crease. Let's take our defining crease brush and just blend that out. MAC Eye Kohl in Smolder. And we're going to rim both the top and the bottom. Smudge liner brush, and that the Hard Magic, which is the black from the Divine palette, and we're just going to push that into the top lash line to really set that. Urban Decay brow blade in Brunette Betty. Moving on to the ink stain. Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And this is going to be what the lashes sit on. And then once the lashes are on, then we put another layer of liquid liner on top of that. This eye, the eyelid on this eye, is actually a little bit lower than this eye. So there's There's more space when my eyes are naturally open on this eye between my lash line and my crease than there is on this one. So I have to draw this line a little bit larger than this line to compensate for that. So you can see that this one it's thicker, but yet when I open my eyes, it looks balanced and even. Duo eyelash adhesive in dark. And we're just gonna stick these right on the outside edge of our eye. Now we're gonna go in with our MAC, this is the Extended Play Gigablack Lash Mascara. Do bottom lashes, because let's go ahead and get rid of all this powder. The Artist Powder Brush, and I'm using the MAC Bronzing Powder, and I think this is just matte bronze. Blush brush, and I'm going in with Fleur Power. Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Uranus, it's my favorite. Real Techniques, this is the Medium Rebel Edge brush. Time for lips. Really excited. Okay. Runway Rogue Lip Pencil in Cover Shoot. Let's go with Booked Out. Booked Out was this sort of the medium one, sort of the pinky nude one. So we'll use this one. It's weird. It's a pinky nude, but there's like a gray undertone to it, which is like perfect for matte neutral. It's pale, but you see it. You know that it's there. You see what it's like. And then now I'm going to show you what it would look like, because it's matte, but what it would look like to put a gloss on over this. I don't want to contaminate my gloss, so I take some gloss and I put it on the back of my hand. The 90s are calling, and I am answering with the new Runway Rogue Nude Lipsticks. I love them. They're not out yet, but they're coming. I promise you. And as soon as they do, keep your eye out and grab them up, because they're going to go fast. RunwayRogueBeauty.com is where you can find them. And don't forget that today's video is also a giveaway. And I'm going to be giving 2 people a Runway Rogue SilkGlam Long Wear Liquid Lipstick. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, comment down below about either the video or what you love about great lip products, or why you want to try Runway Rogue SilkGlam. And good luck to everybody. I'm going to go put on some hair and some clothes and finish the look. And then, yeah, you'll see the completed look after the video ends. All right. Thanks, guys, for spending this time with me. I hope you have a wonderful time playing around with makeup, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.